Good morning, people. Now we are going to see the installation of LaraGoTable. Alright, I will show you what I have done here. I just follow this instruction in my project, in LaraGo project. Okay, we will try to do all this step and try to see what it is. Okay, first of all, I have run this command, and then the other one here I've changed to my project. Then I have updated my composer here, exactly here. Then all right, I ran this command here. I generate my key here. Then in this instruction they told you to create a database called LaraGoTables. Okay, we will go to PHP myadmin and try to do the same, creating LaraGoTable here. Okay, create. Fantastic. Then we will see we will generate the PHP artisan migrate. Okay, a few seconds please, and find and import datatables. All right, wonderful. Then we will go to the to PHP myadmin and trying to import this table. Okay, so we'll do this. Go to LaraGoTable and then import, choose files, we go to instruction. Alright, then LaraGoTable, and we will find it SQL up here. We'll do that and then press go. Nice, very nice. Okay, and then this is it. This is the location. Wonderful. And we will try to do now PHP artisan serve. Okay, nice, very nice. Okay, then we will try to register Halim, my email, my password. Ta-da! Okay, thank you very much, see you soon.